I'm going to share my screen. Reading class में हम क्या करते हैं नासरा? Oh, also Manju. Oh, sorry. Okay, Nasra and Manju. You both are new here. So, in our reading class, I present a page. एक पेज आएगा आपके सामने. You have to read that page. You have to read that page and try to understand. Try to understand and try to explain. Okay, you don't have to be worry about it, as there are Shweta, Isha, Wasim and Nas. They have a bit experience about it, so they will read and they will clarify all the thing, and you will get the chance. Let me share my screen.
Okay.
Yeah, go ahead.
Shall I start?
Yeah, please start.
You deserve love. If you are hurting today, know that this feeling is only temporary, like all your other feelings. If
Pain will also leave soon. You don't need to be hard on yourself every day just because life is difficult, just because
does not mean there is no happiness
Theirs.
left
It's theirs.
theirs.
In your story, life is about trusting the universe, God, or whoever you believe in, especially yourself, and holding on to the hope. Sorry, on holding on to hope even on days when all you want to do is quiet.
It's quit.
You
Why
have
you are
come.
saying it quite?
Sorry,
It's
quit.
quit.
Okay. When all you want to do.
Nasra, are you comfortable to read it for today?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Wow, that's really wonderful. We need this confidence and courage. Okay, read it.
You deserve love. If you are hurting today, know that this feeling is only temporary, like all your other
you have uh, came so far with a smile on your
Ishaq,
face.
it's come. It's come, not came.
Okay. Come smile on your face, and the kind of a courage that can make warrior and jealous. Do not give up. Okay.
It's don't, not do not.
you deserve love. If you are hurting today, know that this feeling is only temporary. In this line, mainly the author or mainly highlight that if you are hurting by any incident or a event that make you sad, know that this feeling is only temporary. Means for today or day after today means tomorrow, uh, everything will be normal. Okay, if happiness could leave your heart so unexpectedly, means if happiness means the part of uh, happiness, joyfulness leave your heart so unexpectedly, means if yesterday you are very happy but today is one incident make you sorrowful or sad, like same way maybe tomorrow you are again be happy. This helplessness and pain will also leave soon. In this line the author mainly signifies or highlight this helplessness, means like you are feeling that there is everything is ended, or you are feeling so pain, this will leave soon, means today or may had to hard 1 month. In 1 month everything will be normal. You don't need to be hard on yourself every day. My voice is coming back. Hello.
I am listening you clearly. Like it's very fine.
But my voice is, anyone else can is listening my voice 2 times?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
No, मुझे तो नहीं लग रहा है.
ए वसीम,
Okay.
मेरा स्पीकर बन गया है. सब ठीक है.
नहीं, एक्चुअली मुझे लग रहा है आशिया का माइक ऑन है ना, तो रिकॉर्डिंग ऑन है, उसी वजह से शायद रिपीट हो रही है सॉन्ग.
एक हफ्ता फिर से छुट्टी.
विदाउट रिकॉर्डिंग ये बात
No.
पसंद नहीं आती है। नहीं ऐसा
ईद के बाद सब क्लास।
बिल्कुल मत बोलो, बहुत टाइम चला गया।
मुझे मुझे
नहीं
एडिक्शन
नहीं
हो
ऐसा
गई
नहीं है,
है
वो
क्लासेस।
रिकॉर्डिंग की वजह से मुझे लग रहा है।
अब क्लास ईद के बाद होगा।
No.
ओके ओके।
It was very bad day for me to spend all the time. Like मुझे लग रहा था मुझे कोई काम नहीं है क्या, कुछ कैसे टाइम पार ही नहीं हो रहा
मी
है। अरे
टू। मुझे लग रहा था कि सिर्फ मैं फोन ही देख रही हूँ, मतलब मेरा टाइम पार नहीं हो रहा, मतलब ऐसा क्या कर रही थी मैं जो इतना टाइम चला जा रहा था और अभी टाइम ही मिल रहा है इतना सारा।
यही
गुड
ना सबसे ज्यादा
गुड।
प्रॉब्लमेटिक मेरा ना कल का दिन था। मुझे एक ही दिन में जाना था और आना था। मैं कल पूरा चूर हो गई थी थक कर।
Asya is good teacher and Sweta is good student.
ऐसा नहीं है सच में, टाइम का पता नहीं चल रहा था कि मतलब मैं रोज देखती थी और 8 बज रहा है, मैंने कहा अभी 8 ही बज रहा है, मतलब टाइम ही पार नहीं हुआ है, ऐसा लग रहा था।
Now you don't have
Okay,
any
I am
holidays. Continue
okay. I am
it.
continuing. You
Hmm.
don't need to be hard on yourself every day just because life is difficult. Means
Okay.
if everything is seems like is ended, or you are thinking that the life is very hard, uh, but it is not in that way. The life will become easy and on track very soon. Just because you are carrying mountains on your shoulders does not mean there is no happiness left in your story. In this line, mainly, the author tried to say that if you mm, uh, if you lost your loved ones or any special person or any opportunity which you are thinking that happens only once in a lifetime, that is not in that way. Like if you are giving an exam and you are got fail, that means that not the world is ended. In next
What
year there is
got filled?
got
You got
failed.
hmm.
You got failed. That means that there is no everything is ended. In next year there is again the exam or the opportunity will come. So
Hmm.
life is about trusting the universe, God, or whoever you believe in. Means life is not only like passing the days. You have to trust universe, God, or whoever you pray, you trust, like Allah, God, Bhagwan, or whoever you believe in, especially yourself. And you have to trust on yourself and be hopeful even on days when all you want to do is quit. Means you like feeling everything is ended and I am not continuing anything, but you have to hope yourself and be consistent. You have come so far with a smile on your face and kind of courage that make warriors jealous. Means you have spent so many times, like for preparing an exam you spent a whole year, or the this time is feeling difficult, but you have to continue your hard work. Next year or in some month again the opportunity will come. Don't give up. Okay, keep trying, don't give up.
This message is for all of us. Don't give up. Keep trying.
Yes.
Like before 1 week, I was so panicked that my system has been destroyed. What I would do, how the class will go on, and I am in Kolkata, so it is very problematic for me. I have to go at my means the hometown, and where I have to fix it the problem. Then you all were messaging, "Don't give up, don't give up." I
The
will
art
share.
of not overthinking.
Yeah, the art of not overthinking. Like we overthink so much in this generation. We overthink so much. We don't do anything. We don't establish anything, but we overthink so much. So that's the problem. That's why there is a book, and that very nice book I'm reading.
We
Like I have
overthink about only sad things, not moral,
yeah, like
not
I've
achieving
completed
a
both.
goal.
I'm reading this book again, and it is very nice book. I would I would like to recommend all of you. If you want to read, then you can read it. It is very helpful. The most important thing, the most beautiful thing about this book is that it is written in very basic English, not very hard and advanced English. The language are very lucid and easy to understand. Like you all are basic at basic level. So this book is very helpful for all of you. Like you can see the paragraph, how easy the paragraph is. You all can understand the lines, right? It is easy now or difficult?
Yes, easy.
Yeah. So and the contents are also very nice. Like after reading, as you will read the book, you will like feel like you are talking with someone, or someone is giving so many advice to you. Someone is like calming you. Okay.
Uh, Asha, one question ask you. हाउ टू बेस्ट बुक जो आपने ये दिखाई है, ये वाली जो हम पहले पढ़ चुके हैं, डॉक्यूमेंट्री डॉग्स, वो वाली, इन दोनों में से बेस्ट कौन सी होगी?
Both are best, like self-help book. These books are self-help book. Like if you want to help yourself, दूसरों की बहुत हेल्प करते हैं ना हम लोग, to motivate
Motivated
any.
books.
हाँ, but this book is self-help. खुद को हेल्प करने के लिए ये बुक बहुत अच्छा है. And if I have to select anyone, then both are best. I
Depression and
I won't say that.
mental problem.
Yeah, both are best. Both are the best. But if I would talk about the language, like you all are at the basic level, so this book is best. The paragraphs, the writing are in a very basic grammar, not very difficult. It would be very helpful if you purchase it. Okay? मीशो
ओके.
से ले लो, मीशो में बड़ा सस्ता मिल जाता है, ले सकते हो. 3-4 बुक एक
हाँ
बार में
मैंने
ले
भी
लो.
बहुत सारे
Like
बुक रखे हैं. अक्टूबर
मैंने
जंक्शन एंड रिच डैड
5
पुअर
पीस
डैड.
मंगवाया. याद नहीं आ रहा, शायद 250 के अंदर आ गया था. 5 बुक्स, सेट ऑफ 5. ओके. ओके, सो वसीम हैज डन. मंजू एंड नासरा, नाउ टेल मी. नासरा, कुछ आइडिया है आपको ये सुनने के बाद, लाइक वसीम ने जो एक्सप्लेन किया?
No, ma'am.
नो. ओके, कोई बात नहीं. आपका फर्स्ट टाइम है तो आप एक काम कर सकते हो. आप उर्दू में या हिंदी, जो भी, जैसे भी नॉर्मल लैंग्वेज में जो भी समझ में आए उस तरह से आप बोल सकते हो. फर्स्ट डे है फॉर द फर्स्ट मंथ. ठीक है, सबका 1 मंथ हो चुका है. आपको ये नहीं समझना है कि इन लोगों को इतना आता है, ऐसा नहीं समझना है. सबका 1 मंथ हो चुका है. दैट्स व्हाई दे आर वेरी लाइक कंफर्टेबल एंड दे कैन स्पीक nicely. But when there was on the first day, they were also like, no, we are unable to explain, and they were going with Hindi or Urdu. Okay, explaining in Hindi. So it is also your first day, so you can also go with Hindi and Urdu, no problem. Manju, are you listening to me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, did you get idea how to explain this paragraph?
No, ma'am.
Okay, I will make you explain. No problem. Now, Shweta, your turn. It's your turn now.
ओके.
नासरा एंड वेट. नासरा, कोई नहीं, आप थोड़ा बैठकर सबको समझो, देखो, ठीक है, फिर हो जाएगा, समझ आ जाएगा. एंड मंजू, यू टू ट्राई टू लिसन ऑल ऑफ देम. Listen to them, and after that you will learn.
Here writer says that here writer says about our heavy day. Uh, we know that this feeling is only temporary, but instead of moving forward, uh, but instead of we sit down and think that this bad time or sorrowness is the biggest difficulty of our life, and this will be never end.
Hmm.
This will be never end.
This will be never end. If you are putting will be, then it would be this will be never ending. Okay, but you can say this will never end. This will never end.
this will never end.
विल एंड शैल के
So,
साथ जब बी लगाओगे ना श्वेता, विल एंड शैल के साथ जब भी बी लगाओगे ना तो वर्ब में आईएनजी लगाना पड़ेगा. ओके,
okay,
या दिस विल नेवर एंड.
this will never end. So here writer says that uh, at time we only do one thing. At that time we only do one thing. Uh, we trust in God's plan and especially ourselves. Ourselves.
Hmm.
And and we all want to and ये मुझे नहीं आ रहा था. Okay. And that time we hold the hope and never give up
Okay.
and never give up. Okay. When you can do this, only then you will be able to get out the trap of sadness or sorrowness.
Hmm.
Uh, so don't give up and handle every situation of your life with a smile.
Nice.
That,
Is it end? Is it finished now?
yes, yes,
You
it's
can go
finished.
you can go with line by line. It will help you more. Like you can take a line and after that explain that line. Try to elaborate that line. Okay. Just by giving examples. Okay. No issue. Now, Naz, it's your turn.
मैं थोड़ा अपने स्टाइल में करूंगा. ओके, तो सब समझने की कोशिश करना.
You have
होगा इंग्लिश में.
you can use so
होगा
many
इंग्लिश में.
styles, but you have to continue in English.
ओके ओके ओके.
Yes.
This paragraph is message. Is very important message for everyone. If you feel sad today, remember that the feeling will not last. Last क्या कहते हैं उसे? लास्ट इसे क्या बोलेंगे?
Last forever or last for longer?
Last forever, just like happy days come and go. Sad day will also pass. uh, Everything is temporary, not permanently. Everything is temporary because a difficult time in your life is very important, because difficult time you are मतलब ऐसे कैसे बोलेंगे कि ये कुछ सिखा के जाता है?
Everything teaches you something. Teach. कुछ सिखा कर जाना. Teach. Everything teaches, or you can say situation. Situation teaches us something.
Situation teaches us something. Life is sometimes very hard. You are you are feel is very bad. I am very bad boy. I am a loser. I am not well. I am not beautiful. I am not successful. My friends and my cousins will be go fast success. I am the loser. We are sad, but mm, uh, mm, एक मिनट.
Yeah, you are going
But
nicely. Go ahead.
but this is a temporary, not permanently. Your hard work and your goals and your life and your goal and your life and your achievement, you the big mountains and your success dreams to hard workly night and morning, hard work to harder, better than better.
Hmm.
Uh, because uh, this is a you believe, especially in yourself, believe in your God, believe your mother pray, and believe your mother pray and your God,
Mother's
and
pray. Mother's
mother's
pray.
pray, mother's pray, and your God, and yourself. Yes, this is a true. Uh, this is a possible, this is go is possible. This word मतलब इस दुनिया में कोई ऐसा नहीं है, कोई ऐसा काम नहीं है जो अनपॉसिबल हो. एवरीथिंग इज पॉसिबल.
In this world,
दिस
इस दुनिया में, in this world,
इन दिस वर्ल्ड
nothing is impossible. Simple.
nothing things is possible, everything possible. This is a mind power and mind game. Your mind prepare, and a big success and a big dreams and a big hard work,
Okay.
and big struggles, and then difficult times go, then go is time a good time, and you are facing smile, and your achievement, lot of achievements, your goals and your life, this you're facing a smile. This is an important message. Your focus on your goals, focus on your career. Do not give up.
Finish?
Yes.
Wow. Clap for Ishaq, please. It was very nice. I like the thing that you didn't form sentence. You are not accurate with the sentence formation, but you were very fluent. Like you were just going and going and going and going. It was very nice. Very good.
और
Thank
एग्जाम्पल्स
you.
भी बहुत ही अच्छे थे.
Thank you.
Very good, Ashak, from my side.
Yeah. Nasra, you can
Thank
see सेंटेंस फॉर्मेशन नहीं था इशाक का, बट जो भी उसे समझ आ रहा था एग्जाम्पल दे देकर वो जस्ट कह रहा था. ठीक है. तो दीज आर द वेज. आप इस तरह से भी कंटिन्यू कर सकते हो. आपको जरूरी नहीं है एकदम परफेक्ट होकर आप बोलोगे. ठीक है. आप ऐसे बोलते बोलते फिर परफेक्शन आ जाएगी. ओके.